Okay guys, as you've seen, this is my new photography setup. This is, you can say, a telescope. In particular, it's called a spotting scope. This instrument is used by photographers to spot the animals at a long range, in a long distance. And this is can also be used as a telephoto lens. The only cons is that you don't have the autofocus. So this is all in manual focus. My intentions are to put my camera on the eyepiece of this telescope and capture the nature around me at a very long distance. With this instrument is finally possible. I choose this Kowa TSN 99A for various reasons that I will explain in the next videos. But basically, this is a very bright lens with a lot of magnification power. So basically, this is all I need in a compact size. It's very lightweight, only 1.8 kilos. I think it will be a pleasure to carry on this lens on my backpack with a lot of magnification power, and it's very bright. I think this is around 900 or 1000 millimeters f9 f8. Okay, the last thing that I want to mention is that with this lens I embrace totally my philosophy of wildlife photography. So I'm able to take photos at very long distance, giving the right distance to the animal and without any kind of stress for them. And for me this is really important. I want to respect their spaces and their habitats, and with this scope is finally possible. So I can't wait to test it, because I want to see the optical quality. I want to test a lot of things, and let's see if it's usable for my wildlife photography. Thank you very much for the attention, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.